Should I start?
If you want to.
Okay. It was a lot of fun, and I think it was also a nice moment to share our experience with young students who are interested in printing posters.
It's quite fun to see how it is possible to produce really nice stuff out of the computer and come back to this very analog media of silkscreen printing. It's maybe a little bit work that is being forgotten in our times, but we want to bring it back to life.
Foram 2 dias muito intensos e resultaram em 215 posters.
I think it was an intense workshop, 2 days of printing with a lot of people.
I'm Irene. I come from Italy. I'm studying here at IADE the Master in Design and Visual Culture. And today we started, yesterday, we started the workshop with poster racks.
Foi a minha primeira abordagem com serigrafia e adorei. É simplesmente um processo que fiquei apaixonada e pronto, espero vir cá mais vezes fazer serigrafia.
Esses workshops são super importantes, acho que para desenvolvimento, até para a gente ter uma outra visão do que está acontecendo, principalmente que são autores de outros lugares, outros países, não só de Lisboa, e isso torna um material excelente para a gente poder ter no nosso portfólio e entender melhor os mecanismos.
Great opportunity that you have this amazing studio here at the school. Many schools stopped having these kind of facilities and that size, so this is a huge opportunity to take for the students to work in this kind of workshops. For us it was very surprising to work with so many students, but hey, they managed to do an amazing job and we're really pretty happy about the results.